how you doing? I'm Louie Gamino with Enviroscape LA. We're here at the Manhattan Beach Botanical Garden, and it's starting to rain again. Now, the reason why we're here out in the rain, this building has a special design to it. It is the centerpiece of the garden, meaning they hold all the tools, information, and all that good stuff. It also has a roof on it. Now, anytime we have a roof and water falls on it, on a typical landscape or resident, that water would then be discharged to the street where it would end up in the Pacific Ocean. Well, not here at the Manhattan Beach Botanical Garden. The design of the roof, it has a pitch to it with a drain right above me, and it collects all that water that's on that roof. It then deposits it in through this pipe, and we've all seen these rain barrels before. They hold about 50 gallons. You get them at the normal big box store. So we do a lot of demonstrations here at the garden, educating the public. So this is for demonstration. It is a 50-gallon rain barrel. Now, what do you do once that 50-gallon fills up? Well, most people, they just simply let the water go to waste. Well, not so here at the Manhattan Beach Botanical Garden. If you notice the discharge to the overflow, where my hand is right here, that overflow does not send the water out to the Pacific Ocean. It sends it to a sump pump here where my foot is. Now, where does that sump pump deliver that water to? Some people, they would daylight it to perhaps the street or a different part of the property. It would end up in the Pacific Ocean. Well, not here at the Botanical Garden. Let's take a walk 15 feet over, 20 feet over. That water gets pumped to this 530-gallon rainwater harvesting tank. So that water is being saved and harvested on a grander scale. Now, keep in mind, a lot of folks, they'll daisy chain 3 or 4 of these guys, where they could then have upwards of more than 2,000 gallons per hour on their property and larger properties. If you notice that water that's spewing water out there, that is not coming from the hose bib. That is rainwater that was collected last night and yesterday day. So that water is being pumped out through our rainwater harvesting pump here. We're utilizing that water because it's starting to drain again. And if we don't drain that water, it would simply go out to the Pacific Ocean. So here at the garden, we do like to show demonstrations. This is part of our educational unit, educational tool for the public here. We're actually giving a lot of that water to that ironwood tree there. It is a California native. However, it does like a little bit of water. It will help it to promote healthy root system for some deep root watering there, the absorption roots. So this pump has been pumping out water for over 20 minutes now. 530 gallons are being replenished back to our water table. So it's not going to the street. It's not collecting all those harmful contaminants, oil, gas, pet waste, fertilizers, all that, and dumping it in the Pacific Ocean. Where is it going? Back to our groundwater recharge here in the garden. So just another tip, when you think sustainability, rainwater harvesting, taking care of trees, think Enviroscape LA.